अपने दिल से बहुत बहुत थैंक्स करना चाहूँगा एंड आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल ऑन स्टेज मिस्टर शिवा अय्यर सर प्लीज। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जा रही है वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑलनेक्स रेजिडेंस मिस्टर शिवा अय्यर। एंड सर का स्वागत आज मैं खुद करना चाहता हूँ। कल जैसे मैंने बताया था कि सर अपनी बहुत सारी मीटिंग्स छोड़ के, क्योंकि पूरा ग्लोबल पूरा वर्ल्ड को देखना होता है, बहुत सारी मीटिंग्स छोड़कर सर हमारे साथ आज ज्वाइन हुए हैं, कल ज्वाइन हुए थे। तो सर थैंक्स अ लॉट, बहुत बहुत आपका थैंक्स।
So I'd like to welcome you, Mr. Siva Iyer, ladies and gentlemen, from All Life Residence, the Vice President of All Life Residence.
एंड मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है सर से कि सर यू हैव टू स्पीक समथिंग अबाउट your experience yesterday and give us some suggestions what should we do, right?
I think this mic is working. Good morning, namaste, and thanks a lot, Manish ji. It gives me good pleasure, great pleasure to be here among all of you. Our journey with Paint Vision started, I think, 2 years ago, and our participation this year has increased because we saw good growth. At the end of the day, we are all businessmen. So Manish ji has created an excellent platform, so I thank you a lot for it. And this platform is important because growth comes from small legs. Nobody becomes big immediately, it's stepwise, slow and steady. And yesterday I had the pleasure of meeting a lot of people who are basically from this region, and each of them had said 2 things which I love. One was growth is there. Second was there is a spirit, a gung-ho spirit. तो दिल्ली में ज़्यादा होता है, नॉर्थ इंडियन में ज़्यादा होता है, इतने कंजर्वेटिव नहीं होते, so which is good. तो मैंने किसी को पूछा, बिरला आ रहे हैं, वो आ रहे हैं, बड़े बड़े लोग आ रहे हैं, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, बेचेंगे। So that spirit helps you grow. And our job as Allnex is to help and foster that spirit by letting the team here know what is the best globally which is available here and which can be made available here locally. That's the bridge that we do. And Manish ji also does a powder coating event, and there we have been participating from day one. And our veteran Ravi ji is here. Yeah. So powder coating for resin for business for us is like कोई मार्जिन नहीं है. अगर उसमें अगर देखकर झाँक के देखो और उसमें इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ा तो कोई करेगा नहीं. But still लगे रहे, हम भी लगे रहे, and our sales are good. और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि नुकसान कर रहे हैं. I will not say the other thing also. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि हम लोग नुकसान कर रहे हैं. हाँ, जो प्रॉफिट एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे वो एवरी ईयर एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, उससे कम होता है. अगले साल जरा और कम होता है, स्पेशली यूनिट मार्जिन. दोस्ती सबसे, चाय सब पिलाते हैं, लेकिन धंधा चाइनीज को देते हैं. वो चीज़ा ना चाय पिलाता है ना आता है, लेकिन धंधा उसको चला जाता है. टेक्निकल हेल्प के लिए आते हैं गौरव के पास, हमारे लैब में आता है, जरूर आया कीजिए. इसका मतलब ये नहीं हुआ कि चाइनीज से कैसा कॉम्पीट करने का वो आप हम लोगों को सिखाएं. Because when we go, when our team comes and meets you, we also learn how to compete, what to compete. Sometimes we also tell you what they do and what we cannot do. दोनों करते हैं. वो लोग कुछ करते हैं जो हम लोग नहीं कर सकते. Okay. जो हम लोग करेंगे भी नहीं, because it is not in the right spirit. वो ठीक है, जो बात है. But what is important is that as Allnex, as resin manufacturers, we are creating an infrastructure where globally benchmarked good quality products over time will come here in our plant. So our investments are a bit on 3 fronts. One is we acquired a local company, DRC, in Mahad, and we are currently making liquid polyesters, alkyds, and low pressure acrylics there. We will continue to make it. So that is available. And sometimes there is a transportation charge cost between Mahad and Delhi, which is north of India, which sometimes makes us uncompetitive, but our product performance will offset. The second thing is we are building our own solvent-based acrylics plant. Next year, September tak ho jayega. We have started construction. That's a massive plant. So that's a massive plant. So if you look at our competitors in liquid acrylics, we will be far above them. Yeah, we're talking of something like 20,000 tons. Yeah? And that's generally the scale advantage which we hope will give us a competitive edge. Plus our entire range of products. High solids, high pressure, everything will be there. Whatever is available globally, the best, that plant can make it. The other thing that plant can do is also help localization. There are certain locally available raw materials and we will be using that to make it. The next investment we will be doing there would be in the solvent-based butylated amino acids. Yeah. Mainly for the automotive industry because that's also a huge growth area for us. And then our alkyds and polyesters will continue and over time, that also we will bring it into the new plant. Jaisa scale badega, we will bring it. So that is not an issue. That's the first phase of our investment. The second phase of our investment is in our infrastructure with respect to the lab space. So I do not know, but some of you may have been to our lab in Vikhroli in Mumbai. We are increasing that floor space to 1.5 full, so about 10,000 square feet of lab. So 10,000 square feet of lab for coating industry is pretty good. It will have, I think, Supratim, please help me, 6 or 7 fume modes? 7. Yeah, 7 fume modes. So 7 R&D cooks we can do simultaneously. And it will be able to cook a lot of the chemistries we are doing it. Idea of doing that is to get feedback from our customers and improve the localization rate of local products. So please give feedback to our team. That will help us make and design better products for you locally in Mahad. The second thing which is there in that lab is the application development. We have Satish here, Yogesh here, Supratim here, Gaurav here. Basically, we are all technical people. And our entire team in a way is technical. So that team will be there and we will further add people and the entire analytical, application development, TSND, whatever functions we need is there. It is also a good place to train your people. So if you have your own people who need training, who need education and things like that, we can help. So that is the second phase or the second big piece of our investment because it's a lab, it's a world-class lab. It will be there. The third phase, of course, is our reach and distribution. We have now made good distribution partners for our additives, for our powders, for our entire liquid range of resins across the country. So the material is available. We have our own warehouses and things like that. So our point of view is that as a resin supplier today, across the broadest range of spectrum, we do everything. Alkyds, polyesters, aminos, powder paint, liquid paint, UV resins, additives. Nobody else has a range like us. Our problem is that sometimes many of our customers do not know our total range. Or customers are basically going from one technology to another. There are customers who are traditionally into liquid, they want to get into a powder paint or they wanted to get into UV technology. They come to us. So please use us, help us, take whatever support you need from our team, but let's grow the business. Once the business grows, I think there's enough in the pie for everyone. So that's the other. The other part which we are proud of is we are also the leader in things which may not look very good in the short term, but are very good in the long term. One is sustainability. It's a big word, so I won't go into it in detail, but if we want, we can go into a lot of details. But then we are kind of called EcoWise means any products from our side which goes into the EcoWise range helps our sustainability targets. And in EcoWise also we have two. One is the value-based and the one which is really a little bit more expensive. But so EcoWise value is also there, EcoWise performance is also there. So I encourage all of you, use the network, use our team and whatever questions you may have, hopefully the team can address. And from Allnex side, we will make sure that we continue to get represented. We will represent ourselves in all these things. Because I believe that this industry, I have been in it for about 25 years, no, not 28 years. Yeah? And I have seen it grow. There was a time when I first started when we used to sell 1,000 tons of powder resin in India, and that was 95% market share. And today we sell far more than that per month. So there is growth, there is ambition, and I think when growth and ambition comes together, it will be a good recipe for the future. So without taking too much of your time, I thank a lot. Thanks for all the delegates who are coming. I think the show is getting bigger by the year, so that is also a good thing. So it really felt nice to be here among all of you. And Manishji, thanks again for giving me the platform to say a few words. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
So we are very, very honored that you could spend 2 days with us. Thank you so much, Mr. Iyer. Can we have a round of applause for Mr. Simaya?